Hey everyone, it's Scott from SpringHillFox.com. Are you ready to create your first affiliate marketing video on TikTok? Let's get started. First, brainstorm ideas, then, check out trending topics and get to know your audience. It's important to understand what your audience likes and what resonates with them. This will help you tailor your content and make it more engaging. Next, it's time to write a script. Begin with a hook, introduce the product, showcase its benefits, and end with a call to action. Your script is the backbone of your video and can significantly impact how your audience receives your message. Make sure it's clear, concise, and compelling. Then, start filming. Ensure you have good lighting and clear audio, and try different angles. Remember to be yourself. Authenticity is critical on TikTok, so feel free to let your personality shine through in your videos. This will help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. After filming, edit your video. Keep it concise, add effects, and use trending music. Editing can take your video to the next level, so take your time to make sure everything looks and sounds just right. Plenty of editing tools are available to help you enhance your video and make it stand out. Finally, publish and engage, post at optimal times, use relevant hashtags, and interact with your audience. Engaging with your audience is crucial for building a loyal following. Respond to comments, ask questions, and create a community around your content. And that's it. Start creating and watch your affiliate sales soar. Follow SpringHillFox.com for more tips. See you next time. This is Scott. Peace out.